Hello everyone! Welcome back to Cook with Ms. Zhang. There's nothing quite like the perfect soft egg yolk. That rich, golden center creamy. Warm and full of flavor. But getting it just right, that's an art. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make 3 different kinds of soft yolk eggs. The 6-minute egg, the 5-minute egg, and the always elegant poached egg. First step, the classic 6-minute egg. Bring a pot of water to a gentle boil. In order to avoid cracking, please use room temperature eggs. Then carefully lower your eggs into the pan. Set your timer for 6 minutes exactly. No more, no less. When the timer goes off, immediately transfer the eggs into a bowl of ice water. This stops the cooking and makes peeling easier. Once cooled, peel gently. The result: a soft but slightly firm yolk perfect for ramen, salads, or toast. Now for the 5.5-minute egg. The method is the same. Boil the water, lower the egg, and set your timer. But this time, go for 5 minutes and 30 seconds more. This produces a looser, more custard-like yolk with a barely set white. Ice bath again, then peel carefully. Notice the difference: more runny, more delicate, and incredibly satisfying. And finally, the poached egg, a bit trickier, but so worth it. Start with boiling water, then turn down the heat, and keep the water simmering. Crack your egg carefully, slide the egg into the center. Let hot water firm the egg white first. Then turn on the heat, bring the water to a slight boil. Once you saw that boiling bubbles, then turn off the heat immediately. Let the egg stay in the hot water for 1 minute until the white is fully set but the yolk is still soft. Lift it out with a slotted spoon. Trim any straggly bits if you like. What you get is a cloud-like white with a perfectly molten center. Three techniques, 3 textures, 1 golden goal, the perfect soft yolk. Whether you're topping a salad, toast, or just eating them with a few drops of soy sauce or a sprinkle of salt. These eggs are simple, stunning, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite egg style in the comments.